Discover the magic of the Caribbean with TBS Global Travel's top 10 must-visit islands, each a slice of paradise waiting to be explored. From lush green mountains to pristine white sands and turquoise waters, these destinations promise an escape from the ordinary into a world of breathtaking natural beauty, vibrant cultures, and endless sunshine. Let's dive into the heart of the Caribbean and find your dream island getaway. Bahamas. With 700 islands and stunning beaches, the Bahamas invites you to bask under the sun, explore turquoise waters, and indulge in luxury resorts. It's a true Caribbean treasure where relaxation and adventure await. St. Lucia. Known for its iconic pitons and lush rainforests, St. Lucia offers an exotic blend of beauty and romance. Hike the volcanic mountains, unwind in natural hot springs, and get lost in a world of emerald landscapes and breathtaking ocean views. Jamaica. Feel the rhythm of reggae and immerse yourself in Jamaica's warm culture, rich history, and scenic waterfalls. From Negro's 7 Mile Beach to the iconic Dunn's River Falls, Jamaica is a haven for beach lovers and adventurers alike. Aruba. Boasting white sand beaches and a warm, dry climate, Aruba is a sunny paradise all year round. With stunning beaches, clear waters, and friendly locals, this Dutch Caribbean gem is ideal for families and solo travelers seeking serenity. Barbados. The birthplace of rum and home to picture-perfect beaches, Barbados offers endless charm and natural beauty. Swim in crystal-clear waters, explore vibrant coral reefs, and soak up the island's rich culture and warm hospitality. Turks and Caicos. Discover miles of uncrowded beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and coral reefs teeming with life in Turks and Caicos. It's a top destination for those who crave secluded beauty and unforgettable underwater adventures. Dominican Republic. Experience vibrant culture, endless beaches, and exciting excursions. The Dominican Republic has something for everyone, from exploring the bustling city of Santo Domingo to relaxing on the pristine shores of Punta Cana. Cayman Islands. A premier diving and snorkeling destination, the Cayman Islands offer incredible underwater experiences along with luxurious resorts and endless beaches. It's a sanctuary for sea lovers and beach enthusiasts alike. Puerto Rico. Steeped in history and culture, Puerto Rico combines tropical beauty with a lively urban scene. Wander through colorful streets, visit ancient forts, and relax on lush beaches. A perfect blend of old and new awaits. Grenada. Known as the Island of Spice, Grenada is a hidden gem with beautiful beaches, rainforests, and waterfalls. Dive into crystal-clear waters, hike lush landscapes, and savor the island's spice-rich cuisine for an unforgettable experience. TBS Global Travel is here to make your Caribbean dream vacation a reality. Whether you seek tranquil beaches, adventurous water sports, or immersive cultural experiences, each of these islands has something extraordinary to offer. Let us help you explore these paradises with our exclusive packages, combining flights, hotels, and unique experiences for the perfect getaway. Book now and let the Caribbean inspire and rejuvenate you.